So on the back of the data that was published at GU ASCO 6 months ago in San Francisco, where we saw that there's efficacy with Atezo-Bev compared to sunitinib, now Bernard Escudier presented the data of the patient-reported outcomes with Atezolizumab and Bevacizumab. This was the data they presented previously of progression-free survival, showing the progression-free survival benefit. No overall survival data yet, but then looking at the patient-reported outcomes, showing essentially that patient-reported outcomes were improved compared to patients on the sunitinib arm. Probably not that surprising, but why is this data, why this is important data for patients to know about? But it's not something that generally in the past has had a major influence on change of practice. But I expect that what's going on here is that the manufacturer of this regimen is keen to show that this regimen is potentially is better tolerated potentially than a combo of PD-1 inhibition together with CTLA-4. So this was Tony Chueri's slide in the discussion section, showing the data, the patient-reported outcomes data with Atezo-Bev, and comparing it. Can't compare between trials, of course, but comparing that to the patient-reported outcomes for Nivo and Ipi compared to sunitinib. So I think we're going to see in the next 6 months a bit of a battle between these two trials, which do we have stronger level 1 evidence for, which is better tolerated, and so this is going to be interesting to see how this plays out in the next 6 to 12 months.